This is elephant, and baby elephant name is calf. Can you say it? Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. This is tiger, and baby tiger name is cub. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. This is lion, and baby lion name is cub. Cub. Can you say it? Cub. C-U-B. Cub. This is turkey, and turkey's baby name is Poult. Mama turkey and baby Poult. P-O-U-L-T. Poult. This is rabbit, and baby rabbit name is Kit. Mama rabbit and baby Kit. K-I-T. Kit. This is bear, and baby bear name is Cub. Mama bear and baby cub. Baby cub. C-U-B. Cub. This is pig, and pig's baby name is Piglet. P-I-G-L-E-T. Piglet. Piglet. This is mama chicken, and mama chicken baby name is Chick. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. Mama chicken baby chick. This is duck, and duck's baby name is Duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. This is horse, and horse baby name is Foal. F-O-A-L. Foal. Mama horse and baby foal. Foal. This is sheep, and sheep's baby name is lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Mama sheep and baby lamb. Lamb. This is goat, and goat's baby name is Kid. K-I-D. Mama goat and baby kid. Kid. K-I-D. Kid. This is cat, and cat's baby name is Kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Mama cat and baby kitten. Kitten. This is dog, and dog baby name is Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Dog and puppy. This is cow, and cow's baby name is Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. Mama cow and baby calf. Calf. I hope you like this video. Come again for next educational video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.